Knightsbridge in August, and the rich, well, they just got much richer. This has always been a playground for playboys, but for the next few weeks it also doubles as a billionaires' motor show.
As you can see, Aston Martins.
What's this worth, roughly?
Maybe 100k?
Why don't you use public transport? And arguably it's a quicker way to get
Oh
around.
no, never ever. It's not possible now.
Maserati.
Worth?
Maybe $100,000. I am not rich man, I am normal man.
My card worth maybe 70,000 pound. But if you want to sell it, I will give it to you for 60,000.
Thank you.
Now stop and have a look at this. Lots of Londoners do. Nothing quite says new money like a new gold Ferrari. And that's just how its Iraqi kickboxing champion of an owner likes it to be.
Having gold because I won 5 gold medals. So what I do, because I love gold, so I like to keep my car also gold. So everything I have is gold. My phone gold, everything, whatever I have.
The man clearly likes gold. No wonder his car is worth £250,000. And he's just one of a tribe of super rich petrol heads.